Hello viewers. Today we discuss why do you eat garlic and honey on an empty stomach. Garlic and honey have many proven health benefits. You can enjoy their beneficial properties by using them alone or together. They can be taken as medicinal supplements, or added to recipes in their natural form. Garlic and honey have been used in traditional medicines around the world. The main health ingredient in garlic is allicin. It contains oxygen, sulfur, and other chemicals that give garlic antibacterial and disease-fighting properties. A medical review notes that chopping or crushing fresh garlic cloves releases more allicin than using the cloves whole. However, chopped or crushed garlic can lose its allicin levels quickly. For maximum benefit, you'll want to use fresh garlic as soon as possible. Honey is naturally high in antioxidants called flavonoids and polyphenols. These chemicals help to fight inflammation, redness and swelling in the body. This can help balance the immune system and prevent certain illnesses. Honey also has antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal trusted source properties. There are basically two ways to mix garlic with honey. 10 to 20 cloves of garlic with 6 ounces of honey, leaving the mixture in the refrigerator for 1 week. Then take 2 teaspoonsful every morning on an empty stomach for 7 days. Crush a clove of garlic or chop it finely and then leave it at room temperature for 5 minutes to activate the enzymes that will convert it into a superfood. Then mix it with a teaspoon of honey and swallow without chewing. Apply this method for 7 days on an empty stomach as well. You may drink a half cup of water to help it go down easier. Health benefits of honey and garlic. 1. The combination of honey and garlic can lower your blood pressure and bad cholesterol levels in the body. 2. They can boost your immune system. It can be beneficial in fighting with cold and flu. 3. They can improve your digestion and treat many digestion-related diseases. 4. They can detoxify your body by removing the toxins. 5. They can improve your liver's health. 6. They can be used for treating many types of heart diseases as well as diabetes. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share with your friends. To find many more health-related videos, subscribe our channel Natural Home Remedies.